According to the giant impact theory, a Mars-sized asteroid collides into Earth at a speed of 20 kilometers per second. Smashed asteroids pieces and material gouged out of Earth's rocky mantle form a ring around Earth. Over several million years, the pieces of orbiting material bump into each other and join together. They form one large body, the Moon, about a quarter the size of Earth. It slowly moves out to its present orbit. The view we have of the Moon, always according to the relative position of the Sun, Earth, Moon, a complete cycle of shapes, known as phases, takes 29.5 days. New Moon, crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full Moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, crescent. A moon is a celestial body that makes an orbit around a planet, including the major planets, dwarf planets and minor planets. The natural heavenly body that shines by reflecting light from the Sun and revolves about the Earth in about 29.1/2 days. The Earth natural satellite, orbiting the Earth at a mean distance of 238,857 miles, that is 384,393 kilometers. The pull of Earth's gravity keeps the Moon in orbit. The Moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans to produce tides. If Earth had more than one moon, the moons would cause much stronger gravitational effects as well as centripetal and centrifugal effects. The axis of Earth's rotation may well be different, and that would affect the seasons. Rotates same rate that it revolves. The same side of the Moon always faces the Earth. Rotation of Moon is 28 days. Revolution of Moon is 28 days. There are 5,185 craters on the Moon. American astronaut who flew the Apollo 11 command module Columbia around the Moon. Neil Armstrong, the first person to walk on the Moon. He was also a naval aviator, test pilot, and university professor. Edwin Aldrin. He was commissioned into the United States Air Force, and served as a jet fighter pilot during the Korean War. Michael Collins. He was a test pilot and Major General in the U.S. Air Force Reserves. A new mineral discovered on the lunar surface by the Apollo 11 crew in 1969 was named in their honor. Amalkalite takes letters from their names: Armstrong, Aldrin, Collins. The Moon is a large ball of rock that doesn't change shape, it just looks as though it does. The shape we see in the sky today depends on how much of the Moon's face is lit up. Sometimes we observe a thin crescent, and at other times we see half or three-quarters of the Moon, and then a fully lit face, a full moon. Ganymede. Jupiter's moon is the first largest moon in space. Titan. Saturn's moon is the second largest moon in space. Callisto. Jupiter's moon is the also third largest moon in space. Io. Jupiter's moon is the fourth largest moon in space. Luna. Earth's moon is the fifth largest moon in space. Europa, Triton, Titania, Rhea, Orbit are the other five largest moon in space. Astronauts' footprints will stay visible for about 1 million years. They are slowly being worn away by dust particles, mainly from decaying comets that hit the Moon and produce tiny craters. This process is called lunar gardening, as gradually the lunar soil is turned over. 59% Moon's surface is visible from Earth.